Okay, you're on.
Hello, I'm at the singing lift again. And there's a new update. Yeah, it's been in the maintenance for a couple of months. And here it is. The singing lift back here.
2.0.
Here. And here. Hello. Hello.
Okay, you're going here too. Okay. So I've noticed they changed the speakers and the singing is slightly different as well.
Yeah,
So this is the new speaker.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a finger by a toe. A spider goes down the train, and a transformer squashes it, and Sasha is happy.
Wonderful.
That's the middle sound.
Amazing. Okay, which floor now?
Ling dang ling 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 what time? Ling dang ling dang ling See, it's slightly different from
It
the
is.
low voice.
Very low.
Yeah. Tenor voice. 2 4.
Which one did you press? Two. Okay.
You can stay there.
Mine is number 4 afterwards. Okay.
Look, all of them are lit up.
So I guess we go up.
If you press one, it will open the door.
Okay, you ready?
Something like this from someone.
No.
Sorry.
No, Sash. No, you're not clicking one again.
Getting higher, the voice getting higher.
Yeah, it's getting more to alto soprano.
Maminka idzie wątku.
And the voice will go up as the thing goes up. The lift goes up, voice goes up.
Here we go. And as you can hear, it's a bit different.
Yes.
What are you watching?
Okay, so after this we need to go one down.
It goes 4, 5, and 6.
Now a bit higher. Now the doors will close. And then
You don't need to open them again.
Yeah.
what will happen if I do this?
I guess we'll level 5.
5.
You can see the number is higher.
Yeah, it definitely is. This is level 5 now.
Yeah. Okay.
One more floor.
Level 5 by the
Level down.
Really notice, but yeah, I would have noticed.
angelic voice kind of.
Top.
6.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to one.
We're going to one, okay?
No,
Yes.
it's two.
We need 2.
You need two?
Okay, great.
Yeah, we're
Thank
going to
you.
one.
Yep.
Brilliant.
So it'll go to us first, and then you. Voice going down, skipping 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 down. Doors open.
Okay, you ready to go off?
Enjoy yourself.
Thank
See you
you.
later.
Thank you.